Hello, my name is Lupita and I'll be teaching you in this tutorial video some of the new features of Microsoft Office Word 2013. In our library, our computers have been updated with Microsoft Office 2013 and Windows 8. Many of our library staff aren't familiar with the new features of Microsoft Word. So in this first video tutorial, I'll be teaching you some features in making a reader's advisory brochure for Halloween for our adult readers. By the end of this tutorial, you will have learned the following: how to change the color, font, and font size, and use word art to enhance the brochure, how to insert a watermark using a picture, how to insert a separate document into this document, and how to add book covers using inserting pictures, online pictures, to enhance the brochure and make it more attractive to our patrons. So let's begin on changing the title. It reads Halloween Reads at Your Library. First of all, we have to make it more eye-catching. First, we're going to change the color of the font. This block comes up, and here it says font color, so you'll click here, and because it's Halloween, we're going to choose this color, which is Orange Accent 2. It's the top, the sixth color. You could click that, and then it's already changed. Go back, get your cursor to the H of Halloween, and make it even more eye-catching. We're going to add the word spooktacular. It's just a different way of saying spectacular. It's just spectacular. In this instance, we're going to use word art. Right on the top left hand, it says text effects and typography. Click on that. Or you can click on first insert and then click on word art. Okay, so it's two ways of doing this. Go back to home, click on this blue outlined A, or go to insert, go on the right side, top right, where it says word art. And to go along with the color orange, we're going to use this one. Fill out this letter this one right here. Okay. Oh, and this is you're gonna write spooktacular. Okay, make it smaller. Maybe put it on top to make more space for the word spectacular. Oh, there you go. Ignore all, and so you don't have to deal with that. So now you have a nice eye-catching title for the Reader's Advisory brochure. And then here are the 10 fiction titles related to Halloween. And the next one is how to insert a watermark using a picture. So go back to Design, all the way on the right, click on Watermark, and you're going to have to click where it says Custom Watermark. That way you can get a picture watermark and not just a text watermark. You're going to have to select a picture, so click on Picture. And using Office.com clip art, we're going to put in the word search for Halloween. Let's choose a Halloween related. And like this picture of the two jack-o'-lanterns. So we'll click on that and click Insert. Make sure that you click on Washout. Click Apply. Close. And there is your watermark. The next one is how to add pictures of the book covers to enhance the brochure and make it more attractive. So let's choose two book titles. We're going to choose the first two, Prince Lestat by Anne Rice and The Strain by Guillermo del Toro and Chuck Hogan. So what you do is go back to on the top, Insert, click on right here, Online Pictures. You're going to have to use Bing Image Search. That way it'll bring you better results. So Prince Lestat and Rice. Here's the book cover. Click. And then here it'll say search results or images licensed under Creative Commons. So you can use these pictures as long as you're not going to benefit financially. And always make sure you're not infringing upon copyrights. So click on Insert. You're going to have to make it smaller. Okay. By you moving the arrows on the corners, just keep moving towards the center, if you will, until it is small enough. And then on the very top where it says position, you can choose where you want it to position it. Here we're going to position it maybe right here, and maybe we can make it a little bit bigger. Okay. Second one we'll insert is The Strain, another horror novel. The Strain, Guillermo del Toro. That's the book cover, the original one. Insert. And also you have to make this bigger, just go towards the middle using the arrows. And then go back to position right here on the top, right hand side. And let's put it like maybe right there. And then this Prince Lestat, we can move it that way. Then we can go on the bottom right, and then we can zoom out so we could see how it looks like. Maybe we can move this. Alright, and then you can move it, make it bigger or smaller, however you want it. Okay, I think that looks perfect. And the last one that we're going to teach you is how to add um, or how to insert a separate document text into this document. So we're going to add the nonfiction titles. So we're going to first go back to insert, left hand side, insert a page break. This one moved all the way back, so here I moved it back towards the first page. Okay, and then stay on insert tab, go all the way on the right, click on object, on the and then click on text from file, and we're going to click on OneDrive, and then we'll find the documents in the OneDrive. It's a cloud um, feature where you can save all your files in a cloud um, service where you can access your files from any computer using Microsoft. So here we have our Halloween nonfiction titles document. We click on that, click insert, and there you are. On the second page, you have the nonfiction titles related to Halloween. So in this tutorial, we have learned 1. How to change the color, font, and font size and use WordArt to enhance the brochure. 2. How to insert a watermark using a picture. 3. How to add book covers or pictures of book covers to enhance the brochure. And 4. How to insert a separate document into this document. And by changing fonts, let's go back and you highlight it, such as the title. This is where you change the font type. Times New Roman, Arial Black, or even Britannic Bold. Okay, since that does not look good, let's go back to Arial 2, Arial Black. Okay. And again, that was how to change the font type. If you have any questions, please let me know, and hope you learned something new and interesting today. Thank you.